In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create self-grading quizzes using Google Classroom. This is a great way to streamline your assessment process and provide immediate feedback to your students. Let's dive right in. First, we need to start by creating a Google form for your quiz. You can either visit Google Forms directly or open it from your Google Drive by selecting New and then Google Forms. Once open, you have the option to select blank quiz or create a new form and later convert it into a quiz format. To do this, navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon, select make this a quiz and enable the feature. Next, let's customize your form by adding a title and a brief description. This helps set the context of the quiz for your students and any specific instructions they might need before starting. Now we move on to the exciting part, adding questions and setting the correct answers. Begin by clicking on the plus icon to add a new question. Google Forms offers a variety of question types like multiple choice, drop down or short answer. Go ahead and pick the one that suits your question best. Type your question and enter your possible answers if required. After setting up your question, click on Answer Key. Here you can select the correct answer and assign a point value to the question. Optionally, you can also add feedback for correct or incorrect responses, providing an additional learning opportunity for your students. Repeat this process until you've completed your quiz. Once your questions are ready, it's time to customize your quiz settings. Under quiz options in settings, you can decide when the grades are released. For questions with definite answers like multiple choice, you might choose to release grades immediately after submission. For subjective answers like short responses, you might prefer to review them manually before releasing the grades. You also have the option to let students see which questions they missed, view the correct answers, and understand the point values. This can enhance their learning experience. With your quiz ready, let's assign it in Google Classroom. Start by going to your Google Classroom and selecting your class. Click Classwork and then Create, followed by Quiz Assignment. Attach your Google Form quiz to this assignment. While in this area, you can set a due date, assign points, and fill in other essential assignment details. Once everything looks good, hit Assign to distribute the quiz to your students. And there you have it. A seamless and efficient way to create self-grading quizzes using Google Classroom. This method not only saves you time, but also ensures that your students receive timely feedback, helping them learn and improve continuously. Thanks for watching and good luck with your quizzes.